Are you at the crossroad of your relationship? You know exactly what you want. You're just too scared to say it or do it. I get it. However, this is the worst decision one can make when you stand at the crossroad because your nervous system is all worked up. You feel worried, you feel anxious, and you are on high gear all the time. And in this trauma mode, fight, flight, or freeze. So in this video, what I want to do is to help you to calm your nervous system. Just relax and let's do this together. And my hope is that at the end of the video, you will have some clarity, you'll feel more relaxed, and you can move forward. Okay? So first of all, I want you to take a deep breath. Woo. All is well. Before we move on, I would like to share with you a little story about myself. Years ago, I fell in love with this man and we quickly got engaged. We were thinking about getting married. However, when I really, in a quiet time, I asked myself, am I really happy in this relationship with him? Silence. And one day, outside of a Thai restaurant, I look at this man, my heart dropped. The question came to me was, who is this man? I have no emotional connection with him. Holy shit, am I making another mistake now? I just got divorced. Now I just can't fail again. Okay, so guess what? I am a psychotherapist. I can fix marriage or a relationship for other people. Of course, I can help myself. How wrong that was. They say there are only three kind of business in this world. Your business, my business, and God's business or universe's business. A relationship happen to fall into God's business. All right. So my ego mind was so arrogant. I was thinking, yeah, we'll just, go along with it. I just even think about while breaking up and all that, that I just can't deal with it. So pretend everything is good. We don't talk about it. We're just being cordial and nice to each other. On the surface, oh my God, all my friends say, wow, you find the best man ever. He treats you good and he's a great provider and he's really nice to you. But deep down inside, I felt so lonely. There was no conversation with him. I wanted to know what he likes, what he doesn't like, and what is his dream for life or for us, right? But nope, there's no conversation. I can talk all day, all kind of ideas flying through my mind. But I was like talking to the wall. There was no emotional connection whatsoever. Do I really want to go down that road? Mm, probably not. But what should I do? I don't know. I don't want to think about it. It hurt. It gave me headaches. At one point, we were about to get married, and I just have to come to this place, be truthful to myself. I journaled every day. I asked myself this question. Do you really love him? Does he really love you? Is he your ideal man? What do you love about him? What do you get out of this relationship? And if you want me to rate this relationship 1 to 10, I will say about 2 or 3 satisfaction level. So why am I stay with in this relationship? That's a good question. Well, I see a lot of couples that stay together even though they complain about it. They're not happy, but they won't leave. Story of my life, right? Well, that part of me, that little voice, would just speak so loud, especially when I meditate, when I journal. That part of me just asking me that pointing question I can't avoid. So I answer each one of them. Do I really love him? I do love him as a human being. I have a lot of a compassion for him. I like the way he looks. I like the way he tells jokes. But do I really appreciate this person? And we have this unspeakable emotional connection, which is I'm craving for. Hell no, zero. He's a nice person. I have nothing to complain about. He's a person he's a hard worker. He's got great ideas. He's a great businessman, and he's successful in all areas, according to my girlfriend's standard. They even come to me say, "Hey, if you don't want him, I'll help. I'll take over." I said, "Okay, sure." Oh my gosh. So this is really comes down to what is your truth? What do you want in your life? You know, my favorite quote, I wish I had courage to live a life true to myself, not a life others expected of me, by the author of this book, Top 5 Regret of the Dying. So people on the dying bed saying that I wish I live a life true to myself. And me, I pretend to be someone I'm happy. I feel hurt. I feel lonely. I feel sad. I feel guilt and feel shame because, gosh, how many failed relationship I have been through in my life. It's just on and on and on. But can I continue to live a life not being true to myself? No, I can't. What gives me the courage to move forward was I was able to tap into that part of me who knows me well, who really loves me unconditionally and has the best interest in me and continue to guide me. And this is the reason why I'm so passionate about teaching people how to tap into their inner power and connected to the truest you. That part of you will always love you, or will always appreciate you, will always embrace you. If only you allow that part of you to come out to talk to you. So if you're at the crossroad and you want to have some clarity, you want to be calm and peaceful and take charge of your life and create the life you want, I can help you. The first thing I will recommend is spend time by yourself and listen to that little voice inside of you called intuition and journal about it. You'll have a clarity and your nervous system will calm down. Join me on Saturday. I'm going to offer a free live workshop and teach you how to connect it to your truest you.